In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your OneDrive folder in Windows 10. This can be a great way to free up space or better organize your files. Let's get started and guide you through each step. First, locate the OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. This is usually found on the bottom right of your screen amongst other icons. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will open a small window with various options. Next, you'll want to click on the settings option. This will bring up a dialog box with several tabs, each providing different settings you can adjust for your OneDrive. From here, navigate over to the account tab. This tab manages aspects like storage and linked PCs. It's essential for executing what we'll be doing next. Here, you'll find an option that says unlink this PC. Clicking this will disconnect your current OneDrive setup from your device, but don't worry, this won't delete any of your files from the cloud. A confirmation message will pop up asking you to confirm this action. Go ahead and do so. Now that you've unlinked OneDrive from your PC, you can proceed by opening File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon normally pinned to your taskbar. Once inside File Explorer, navigate to your OneDrive folder. This folder is typically found in the main directory of your user profile. You'll need to right click on the OneDrive folder and select Cut. This action will prepare the folder to be moved, then navigate to the location where you want to move your OneDrive folder. It might be another drive on your computer or just a specific folder you're reorganizing. Once there, right click again and select Paste. Your OneDrive folder, along with all its files, will move to this new location. Be patient, as the time this takes depends on the size of your files. Now you need to open the OneDrive icon on the taskbar once more and sign in again. You'll go through a setup process similar to what you did when first syncing OneDrive. During this process, you'll see a screen titled, "This is your OneDrive folder." At this point, you want to click on Change Location. You'll need to navigate through File Explorer to select the new location where you pasted the OneDrive folder. When you find it, click Select Folder. After confirming, click Use this location when prompted. Finally, follow the remaining prompts to finish setting up OneDrive. Your OneDrive folder is now relocated and you're all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful.